Welcome to the Dot Foods Waste Observation Board training. Are you tired of too much waste in your workplace? Well, good news! We have a tool that can help you eliminate waste from your area. This tool is called the Waste Observation Board. Maybe you already have a waste observation board, but you're not sure how to use it. Well, no worries, no need to be confused. First, we'll start with breaking down each of the 8 wastes. Defects, errors which cause rework or delays. Overproduction, producing more than the customer needs. Waiting, work that is stopped to wait for materials, goods, or supplies. Not using your employees. This is the underutilization of the knowledge, skills, and assets of your employees. Transportation, moving of materials without adding value. Inventory, more materials or supplies than needed currently. Motion, movement of people without adding value. Excess processing, doing more than the customer is willing to pay for. These can be remembered as downtime. Now that we know the 8 wastes we are looking for, let's go through how to use the board. Step 1. Read the submission. Verify that the waste observation contains just waste, no solution, and no causes. Step 2. Go to Gemba. Gemba is where the work happens. Go out and see the submitter's work environment. Once in Gemba, be sure to thank the submitter for their submission. Then, reread the submission and verify everybody understands the waste observed. If necessary, rewrite the waste observation that was submitted. Once the waste is clarified, ask to see an example. While looking at the example, dig to root cause. Don't know how to find root cause? This is a great place to use the 5 whys or fishbone tool. After finding the root cause in Gemba, you can move the slip to the to-do column. Be sure to include the fishbone or 5 whys and the root cause that was identified. Step 3. Meet with shift manager. The board owner and shift manager should meet at least once a week to review the statuses of all waste observation slips from their shift, as well as brainstorm countermeasures for any slips that have had root cause analysis completed. Step 4. Test countermeasure. After determining a countermeasure to try, work together with the submitter, the shift manager, and any other departments to plan a test for the countermeasure. Now, move the slip to the doing column. Be sure to include any plans or details for the test. Run the planned test, then check the results. Discover the test was a bad idea? No worries, learn from it and return to the plan. Utilize the results from bad idea tests to improve and try other tests until success! The waste was eliminated. Step 5. Standardize changes. Create standard work, train, communicate, audit, and communicate again. Do not underestimate the power of this step. Once the new process is rolled out, move the slip to Done. Be sure to include any standard work or changes that have been created. Leave the completed slip in the Done column for 2 weeks. Allow others to understand and celebrate the success. After 2 weeks, remove the slip and submit the waste observation as complete. The submitter will receive a kudos card worth $5. If you have any other questions on how the Waste Observation Board works or are interested in adding a Waste Observation Board to your area, contact your lean leader.
Created using Powtoon.